The molecule is Cl03 minus. This is the Lewis dot structure with 3 O's surrounding the chlorine. The VSEPR formula is AX3E. The bond angle is a little less than 105 degrees because the two non-bonded electrons are way down the bonds to make it less than 109 degrees. The molecular shape is a tetrahedral, while the electron pair geometry is a trigonal pyramidal. The shape of trigonal pyramidal is this. The molecule as a whole is polar, and the dipole movements do not cancel each other out. Each bond individually is a polar bond, with chlorine being partially positive and oxygen being partially negative. The hybrid orbitals is sp3. Chlorine, it has a complete octet. The intermolecular force is dipole-dipole, and the intramolecular force is covalent. The formal charges of each atom: oxygen is -1, and chlorine is 2. There are no resonance structures. The bond order is 1, and there are 0 pi bonds, but 3 sigma bonds. The molecule is CO3 -. The Lewis dot structure has 3 oxygens around 1 carbon. The VSEPR formula is AX3. The molecular shape is trigonal planar, and also the electron pair geometry is also trigonal planar. This is the shape of a trigonal planar molecule. It has 1 pi bond and 3 sigma bonds. The intermolecular force is London dispersion, and the intramolecular force is covalent. The bond angle is 120 degrees. The polarity of each bond is polar, with C being partially positive and oxygen being partially negative. The bond order, because it has a resonance bond, is 1.333. The molecule as a whole is nonpolar because the dipole movements cancel each other out. The formal charges of each atom is the carbon is 0 because 4 minus 0 is 0. The oxygen with 1 bond is -1, and the oxygen with 2 bonds, or the resonance bond, is 0. It has a complete carbon has a complete octet with 8 electrons, and there are 3 resonance structures in the molecule. The hybrid orbital is sp2.